What's up, guys? I'm back at YouTube video. Now today, guys, I'm going to be doing a very simple card trick for you guys today. Next week I'm going to get a new deck of cards. I guess it's not going to be a deck, and I'm going to show you guys a trick. It's really cool. I'm not going to do the tutorial for it because I don't want people from my school watching it and then they're just going to tell everybody how you do it. But this trick is very simple. I also have a pink deck of cards. It's a bicycle deck. Looking forward to get a deck with like lime colors instead of like red and black. Because those look really, really cool. And I've seen people with it on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm going to buy a special kind of thing on Amazon so I can show you guys a cool trick. But I'm going to get on to the trick. So I have my deck of red bicycle cards. And I'm going to shuffle the deck just to show you guys that there's no setup. I will do a tutorial for this trick. I'll put it on the title of the video so you guys know. Okay, so obviously you guys can see, let me show you, no setup. So we're all good. Just no setup. You can look through the cards. Doesn't look like anything. So we're going to cut the deck into two piles. Now, I will give you guys credit for all the tricks that I've learned to MizMag288. Subscribe to him because he's helped me learn all of these tricks. He's got 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And yeah. So I'm going to take a peek at the fourth card of this deck. You guys can't look at the fourth card of this deck. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to look at it. I'm going to take a peek at this card. Okay. So I know by looking at that card that the fourth card over here is the 10 of spades. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth card is the 10 of spades. So I'm going to do the same thing again. Give the cards a little shuffle. Show you guys that there's no setup here. So there you go. I'm going to cut the deck again. And I'm going to look at this card over here. Looking at this card over here. The fourth card over here. Okay. By looking at that card over here, I know that the fourth card over here is the 3 of hearts. So 1, 2, 3. And the fourth card over here is the 3 of hearts. I'll do it one more time for you guys. Give the cards a little shuffle. I'll do an overhand shuffle this time. And show you guys that there's no setup for this trick. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. Instead of choosing from this pile, I'm going to do it from this pile. I know from looking at the fourth card over here, you guys can't look at it. By looking at the fourth card over here, that the fourth card over here is the 5 of clubs. 1, 2, 3. The fourth card is the 5 of clubs. So I did mess up on that last one, but here's the tutorial. The tutorial for the trick does not take any setup, so you guys can mix the cards as much as you want. As you guys can see, there's no setup. So you can show them, you can even hand them the deck and show them that there's no setup. Do an overhand shuffle, do a riffle shuffle, like this. I'm not that good at a riffle shuffle, just learned it not too long ago. Maybe a couple months ago. I can't do the thing where you like release the cards and they all fall down. I can't do that, but so you show them there's no setup. And then when you do show them that there's no setup, what you want to do is look at the fourth card from the top or bottom, either one. But if you choose from the bottom and you cut the deck, you're going to have to look from this pile and pretend that you know this card. And then if you're going to look from the top, so let's, for instance, the fourth card over here is the 8 of diamonds. So you know that when you show them, you split the deck, look at the fourth card over here. So 1, 2, 3, and that's the 8 of spades. You pretend you know that just by looking at that, you can know that the fourth card over here is 8 of diamonds. So it's a really, really simple trick. It doesn't take any skill. I'll show you the bottom demonstration, same idea. you just look at the fourth last card, which would be the 9 of spades. So remember the 9 of spades, cut the deck, look at the card on the left side because that was the top part of the deck. Fourth card over here is the 8 of spades. So you know that the fourth card over here is the 9 of spades. And I'm not sure why I messed up right there. Oh, okay. Basically, you want to look at the bottom of the deck, I guess. No big deal. But just tell them that we'll have to look at the bottom of the deck this time. I guess that's a little bit of a fixer-upper, but... So, yeah, it's a really, really simple trick. And I'll probably do another video today. I think I am. It might be a Minecraft tutorial. I'm going to think of a couple Minecraft tutorials, how to do something. And, yeah, hope you guys like my pink bicycle deck. And, like I said, I'm going to buy something on Amazon. And I'm going to show you guys a cool trick with a new deck of cards. I'm not going to perform the trick now because I haven't, practiced it at all. I don't want to practice it yet. So, yeah. So, how do you guys like the trick? Really simple trick for you guys beginners, even some of you other people. And because of that simple trick, I actually am going to show you guys a cool coin trick. So I have a coin, and now I'm going to put it in my hand. Now, basically, I'm not going to demonstrate because I haven't perfected it yet, but if I were going to do it, this is how it would go. So basically, what you want to do first is lick your hand. So you make sure you'll understand why you need to lick your hand. So, when you're doing the trick, you want to hold it like this, show them that you have a coin, cuff it into your hand, then use your middle finger, stick it over on the back of your hand, and then just say, and then when you open your hand, you'll say, the coin has disappeared, and then you can put it back into the position, bring your thumb over, and then put the coin back in. Don't take your thumb out, just cuff it with the other thumb, and then open your hand up. Show them that the coin is back. So, let me do it. I'll lick my hand again. Don't be too obvious. This is why I'm doing my middle finger. I'm trying not to use my thumb, but just use your middle finger. Just use your middle finger. I know it's hard to use your middle finger, and then, yeah, because if you use middle finger, you won't have to go as far. Just put it right here, and then when you open up, say, it's disappeared, come back. You only have to bring your thumb a little bit, push it in, and then open. There's the coin. I haven't got very visual on this trick yet, so I'm still kind of practicing. What do you guys think about the other simple trick? Show it to anybody who doesn't understand. So yeah, this is a really, really cool trick. How do you guys like it? Once again, I'm going to show you another trick next week. Really cool trick. And I'm going to hopefully start doing some Minecraft tutorials, maybe one today. So like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you next time.